Hello friends, today we are going to deal with the thermocouple as a thermometer. In last two sections, last two videos, we have seen the mercury thermometer as well as the platinum resistance thermometer. Now we are going to construct what is the thermocouple which can be worked as a thermometer. So now this, that is thermometer, depends upon the effect that is known as Seebeck effect. We 12वीला Seebeck effect हे बघितलेलं आहे. What that Seebeck effect tells that when two dissimilar metals join together, then there is a flow of current. When these two metals, two different metals are joined together to form a junction, then at the junction, when temperature is different, then there is flow of current. That effect is known as Seebeck effect. Now this Seebeck effect is the basis for the thermocouple as a thermometer. We are going to construct the thermometer. So for that we are going to design first of all the thermocouple. Thermo means that is the temperature difference or temperature, heat. Then couple means two. So now we are going to construct, there are different types of the thermocouples we can construct, thermo and couple. Couple means two junctions. So now by using iron, it is also known as Constantian. This is one wire, iron wire, and this is another wire, that is copper wire. This is another copper wire. So this is the thermocouple. Couple means two junctions. One junction here, one other junction is here. So now by using two metals we can form two junctions. So these two junctions, that means we are going to weld these two metals at this point and at this point. Now these two welding points are kept at different, that is the temperatures. One kept in a ice block, and one kept in a hot water, or that is the temperature higher than this one. So this is hot water. So there is temperature difference between two junctions. Due to temperature difference, there is a flow of current. From at hot junction, the flow of current through from iron to copper, and at cold junction, the flow of current from copper to, that is the Constantian, means iron. So that means this current can be, that is the calculated or measured by using sensitive galvanometer. So now this becomes a thermocouple. This is a thermocouple. What this thermocouple means? Thermocouple म्हणजे काय की थर्मो म्हणजे टेम्परेचर डिफरन्स. इथे टेम्परेचर डिफरन्स आपण ठेवला. कपल म्हणजे दोन जंक्शन्स आहेत. इथे एक जंक्शन आहे, इथे एक जंक्शन आहे. म्हणजे एक वायर घेतला आयर्नची, दुसरी दोन वायर घेतला कॉपरच्या, त्यापैकी इथे एक वायर जोडला, इथे एक जोडला, दोन जंक्शन तयार झाले. इथे एक जंक्शन तयार झालं, इथे एक जंक्शन तयार झालं. गॅस वेल्डिंग वेल्ड करून घेतला दोन्ही जंक्शन्स. तर हे दोन जंक्शन्स वेगवेगळ्या टेम्परेचरला ठेवला तर तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये आपोआप करंट फ्लो मिळतो. कारण आपण बघितलेलं आहे की वेगवेगळे मटेरियल्स वेगवेगळ्या टेम्परेचरला वेगवेगळे रेजिस्टन्स दाखवतात, माहिती ना. त्यामुळे वेगवेगळे रेजिस्टन्स याचा अर्थ देयर इज फ्लो ऑफ करंट, दॅट इज हायर एनर्जी टू लोअर एनर्जी, लोअर एनर्जी टू हायर एनर्जी. सो फ्लो ऑफ करंट आर एनर्जी फ्रॉम लोअर एंड हायर एनर्जी टू लोअर एनर्जी. Is it? There is flow of, that is the energy from this point to this point. Cold end. So that means this carrier are currents, carrier are electrons. These electrons flow and therefore we get the current. So this current are EMF produced. That is the thermo EMF is produced between these two junctions. EMF म्हणजे potential difference. इथं potential difference कमी आहे, इथं potential difference जास्त आहे. पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स कमी जास्तीपासून कमी करंट जातो, याचा अर्थ दॅट पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इज नोन ॲज थर्मो ईएमएफ. थर्मो ईएमएफ. So thermo EMF is generated when two dissimilar metals forming two, that is the junctions, kept at different temperatures. So one cold temperature, another hot temperature. When two dissimilar metals, दोन dissimilar metals are copper and iron, forming two junctions, one junction, another junction, they are kept at two different temperatures. one cold and other hot. Then there is the EMF produced between two junctions. That EMF is known as thermo EMF. Thermo EMF means that the temperature difference, that the EMF or thermal EMF is produced. This effect, due to this thermal EMF, the current flowing through the circuit, this current is known as thermo current or thermal current. So thermo EMF generates the thermal current. This current can be measured to determine the temperature of the system, and therefore we can immediately use this property to construct the thermometer. Is it? So now we are going to construct the thermometer first of all. For that condition, we are going to understand the three different points. That is, first principle of the thermometer, second the construction of the thermometer, then working of the thermometer, and now we can also know the advantages and disadvantages of this thermometer. So these are the points we are going to discuss in this lecture. So first of all, what is principle of thermometer? So the Seebeck effect is the main principle used to construct thermocouple as a thermometer, which states that when two dissimilar metals forming two junctions which are kept at different temperatures, then there is production of EMF. That EMF is known as thermo EMF. That EMF produces current, that is known as thermoelectric current. So this thermoelectric current can be used to measure the temperature difference, and therefore this is the principle of the thermocouple as a thermometer. Then we are going to see, that is the, can you understand this principle? Now we can see the construction. For that construction of this thermometer, we have to take first of all the two dissimilar metals, one metal here and another metal here. These are the two dissimilar metals. So I will draw different colors. So this is one metal and this is another metal. This is one metal. So these two metals are joined here to form two junctions. It may be copper and iron, that is constant here. It may be nickel and chromium. It may be, that is nichrome also, nichrome and nickel, iron and nichrome, iron and nickel. Different types of the thermometers, thermocouples, or different metals are used to form a thermocouple. So now we are going to see this simplest, that is the copper and iron, that is the thermocouple as a thermometer. So for this purpose we are taking the two wires. One wire is of iron, another wire is of, that is the copper, to form two junctions. These are the two junctions. Now before using this, that is the wire or thermocouple as a thermometer, we have to construct first of all one circuit like this. This circuit consists whether it is the one cell, then one key, then the potentiometer, that is resistance, then it consists two resistance boxes, that is one resistance box is R, this is joined with the another resistance box S, then again it is joined to galvanometer G, and it is taken over this resistance or wire. Now by adjusting R and S initially by taking one cell, which is connected across this resistance, and that is the galvanometer, across this resistance and galvanometer, we are going to construct like this. So this is the circuit for which we are going to use this circuit to test this, that is thermo EMF. So this circuit consists two resistance R and R. This is EMF E cell, EMF of the cell. This is key. This is the testing cell. This is the testing battery. D is used. Now, when these two batteries are connected here like this, and we can adjust the resistance R and S. What will happen? R and S. What will happen? We can we can slide this pointer in different the points so that the galvanometer shows null deflection. म्हणजे इथं आपण पहिल्यांदा कॅलिब्रेशन करायचं. दोन सेल जोडायचे. दोन सेल जोडल्यानंतर तुम्ही काय करायचं? आर आणि एस असा ऍडजस्ट करायचा की एका ठराविक पॉइंटला गॅल्व्हनोमीटर शोज नल डिफ्लेक्शन. ज्यावेळी नल डिफ्लेक्शन मिळेल त्याच वेळी आपण हा इथला सेल काढायचा आणि इथे जे दोन टर्मिनल्स आहेत ते दोन टर्मिनल्स याला जोडायचे. इथे एक टर्मिनल जोडायचं, इथे एक टर्मिनल जोडायचं. म्हणजे हे दोन टर्मिनल आपण इथं जोडायचं. म्हणजे काय बघा की इथं मी असं जोडलं. So now we can connect like this. So this is the hot temperature and this is cold temperature. This is cold, this is hot. आता काय होईल बघा की समजा आपण सपोज करूया this is copper, this is iron. Now this wire is already calibrated. आता इकडे लक्ष देऊ नका. दोन वायर आपण थर्मोकपल तयार केलेले आहे. थर्मोकपल म्हणजे दोन जंक्शन्स तयार केलेले आहेत. दोन वेगवेगळ्या टेम्परेचरला ठेवलेले आहे. दोन वेगवेगळ्या टेम्परेचर ठेवल्यामुळे तिथे काय तयार होईल? थर्मो ईएमएफ जनरेट होईल. थर्मो ईएमएफ इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. ड्यू टू दिस थर्मो ईएमएफ thermoelectric current will produce. This thermoelectric current due to thermo EMF is nothing but one type of cell. जसं सेल मधनं इलेक्ट्रिक EMF काय होतं? EMF between two junctions is different and therefore current flow from that is the positive to negative. इथे करंट फ्लो होतो की नाही? तसाच इथं या हॉट जंक्शन पासून लोअर्स कडे करंट फ्लो होईल. म्हणजे हा सेल सारखा ऍक्ट होईल. लक्षात आलं का? हा सेल सारखा ऍक्ट झाल्यानंतर आपण ऑलरेडी कॅलिब्रेट केलेलं आहे. मग आपण काय करूया की याचं पहिल्यांदा कॅलिब्रेशन, पहिल्यांदा सुरुवातीला याचं कॅलिब्रेशन करून घ्यावं लागेल. सो कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ थर्मोमीटर प्रिन्सिपल तुम्हाला समजलं. आता कन्स्ट्रक्शन समजलं का बघा. सो कन्स्ट्रक्शन दॅट इट कन्सिस्ट the two wires, copper wire and iron, this is also copper, forming two junctions. These two junctions are kept at different temperatures. Then the external circuit used consists of two resistances R and S, one EMF of the cell E, and key is that is the key used to cut or pass the current, and one that the resistance or rheostat. And again we are going to use the galvanometer for the changes in the current. So now when two junctions are kept at different temperature, suppose this is kept at very low temperature, that is cold temperature, and this temperature is adjusted from initial to higher level, then what will happen? Say this thermo EMF generated with respect to temperature. इथून आपण जर टेम्परेचर आता आपण कॅलिब्रेट केलं तर काय होईल बघा की हे काय करणार आपण त्याचं टेम्परेचर समजा 10 डिग्री टेम्परेचर ठेवणार, ह्याचं 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर आहे आणि त्यावेळी आपण कॅलिब्रेट केलं. इथं टेम्परेचर किती रेजिस्टन्स ऍडजस्ट झाला याच्यावरून ईएमएफ किती जनरेट झाला, इथं ईएमएफ किती जनरेट झाला 0 डिग्री ऍडजस्ट करण्यासाठी ईएमएफ किती जनरेट झाला हे आपल्याला कळेल. या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला असं कॅलिब्रेशन करून वेगवेगळ्या टेम्परेचरला थर्मो ईएमएफ किती जनरेट झाला तर हे आपल्याला एक डायग्राम कॅलिब्रेशन, दिस इज नोन एज कॅलिब्रेशन डायग्राम. सो नाउ कन्स्ट्रक्शन अँड वर्किंग ओव्हर्स. आता इथं वर्किंग मध्ये लास्ट वर्किंग काय आहे, एखाद्याचं टेम्परेचर तुम्हाला मोजायचं आहे. आता आपला महत्वाचा उद्देश काय होता की थर्मोकपल ऍज अ थर्मामीटर. याच्यासाठी आपण काय काय केलं, प्रिन्सिपल युज केला, कन्स्ट्रक्शन युज केलं, वर्किंग पण बघितलं. पण आता एखाद्याचं टेम्परेचर मोजायचं झालं तर ज्याचं टेम्परेचर मोजायचं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही काय करा, हे जंक्शन डीप करा. हे जंक्शन डीप केल्याबरोबर तुम्हाला थर्मो ईएमएफ जनरेट होईल. किती थर्मो ईएमएफ आहे त्या थर्मो ईएमएफ नोट डाऊन करा. थर्मो ईएमएफ नोट डाऊन केला तर तिथून परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन काढा, इथून परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन काढा आणि तुम्हाला त्याचं टेम्परेचर यू कॅन गेट व्हेरी इझी. So we can calculate the temperature by using this calibrated graph. So this is working. समजलं तुम्हाला? So this is the thermocouple as a thermometer. So by using the two dissimilar metals forming the two junctions kept at different temperature, then we can measure the temperature of any body, of any system, is it? By using calibration. So now, what is the advantages of this thermometer? What are the disadvantages of thermometer? प्रत्येक thermometerचे advantages पण आहे आणि disadvantages पण आहे. काय त्याचा advantages काय? It is very easy to construct. It is very easy to construct. दोन dissimilar metal घेतला, काय केला की त्याचं टेम्परेचर आपण मोजू शकतो. So that is very easy to construct. Then it is the very low cost. This is the low cost. One can construct the temperature measurement instrument, that is thermometer. Then it has advantages like it can measure the temperature minus 200 degrees centigrade to 1500 degrees centigrade. बघा एवढ्या मोठ्या रेंज मध्ये तुम्हाला टेम्परेचर त्याचं मोजता येतं वेगवेगळ्या मटेरियलचं. सो दिस इज दी ऍडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ दी थर्मोकपल ऍज अ थर्मामीटर. मग आता डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस काय काय असतील बघा की डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस काय की यू आर गोइंग टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट टू दॅट इज दी जंक्शन्स. वन मस्ट कीप ऍट 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर म्हणजे कमीत कमी लोअर टेम्परेचर ठेवावं लागेल. दुसरं यू आर गोइंग टू दॅट इज कॅलिब्रेट दिस कर्व. कॅलिब्रेशन प्रत्येक मटेरियल बदललं की कॅलिब्रेशन कर्व बदलतो. सो यू हॅव टू कॅलिब्रेट first of all and then you can use that thermometer as a that is the thermocouple as a thermometer. So the disadvantages of this thermometer is nothing but we need to calibrate first and then you can use the that is the material as a thermometer. Okay, so these are the points we have discussed, but principle, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, thank you.